Hi guys, we beginning to start learning JavaScript, and today we have our first lesson in which I'm going to show you what is JavaScript and how to run it. So, what is JavaScript? JavaScript, this is a programming language which can you run under browser. Well, some people may said that nowadays we can run JavaScript under Node.js on phones or on servers. But basically JavaScript, this is language which runs under browser, and we are going to study it and run it under browser because basically it was created for browsers. And to run it we need to create some HTML file. Uh, as you know, all browsers, they usually show us some HTML, and without HTML you can create. I hope you already know HTML, you saw my lessons or some other people lessons, and you know what is HTML. So to run JavaScript we need to create HTML file. Let's do this. Let's call it lesson HTML, and here we added some HTML text. Here we can have body, and some, let's say, div. So that's all. That's our HTML. We can run under browser. And here it is, our hello world example. So now we want to run some JavaScript. For this we need to use a script tag. So it will be like script, and here we can run some code. For example, the first that you could learn, this is method alert. Well, it's function alert. Here you can send some data there, and now if I update this file, I will have this notification. This notification was sent when I call this method alert, and it showed me this string. So, and that's how JavaScript works. So there is couple ways to run JavaScript. First is run JavaScript to run script tag here in our HTML file. Also, it can be run anywhere from this script. For example, I can put it here and run, and the result will be the same. So my JavaScript was run, and it showed me alert with some message. Second example, it's something like this. I can add text script and say that I want to use some file. For this I use attribute src, and let's call it test.js. Yeah, that's all. So now all I need to do is just create file test.js, and here I can write alert hello, for example. So now if I would update this file, it doesn't work. Let's see why. src I meant, yeah. So as you see, it works exactly the same. It just my JavaScript was in separate file. So I can run JavaScript from some other files, and this is really cool because I can reuse this code. I can write this script with src on many pages, and all pages will run this my JavaScript files. This is very common and good technique. So the third way to run JavaScript, it's from the browser. Well, if I click right mouse button and click inspect, there will be open this window. It's in Google Chrome, and there is console. Well, I hope you know, if you study HTML, you know that there is some elements. This is like three of my elements which I wrote here, like body, div, HTML, etc. So, and also there is a console. In console I can write some JavaScript. For example, alert. I can alert function and write like hello from console and run it. And as you see, I had message hello from console. So my JavaScript was run, it was run from this console. And also there is two main functions that we are going to use for showing how everything works. It's alert and console log. Console log, it's work like this. Hello world. So console log just basically write something in console. For example, here it run hello world to our console. Same thing I can do here. So if I write, let's say, console log, if I write console log and some message like here, and then I rerun my HTML file. So when it run my script from here, and in console we have some message. So this script was run, and we got some result, as you can see here. So basically that's all JavaScript. So JavaScript, this is programming language which can be run under browser. Well, we can do a lot of things. For example, I just want to show you a small example to see why are we needed. So let's write some code. You will not understand probably this code, but anyway, I just want to show you why are we need JavaScript. So let's say document get element by ID, ls style color red, and here my this string become red, as you see. And this was happen when I ran this JavaScript code. What does it do? Never mind, I will tell you later. We will discuss everything. We will know how to work with it. Today I just want to show you why do we need this. And as you see, we need to change our HTML. So JavaScript very powerful because it can change our pages. If there was no JavaScript, you just see simple text on your pages and nothing. But nowadays JavaScript is very powerful. You can see like opening menus, opening some I don't know, new data forms or something like this. Sometimes it's very beautiful. People imagination can create a really nice scene. And to make our pages dynamic, to change something on this, for example, like on YouTube, when you moving mouse on some video, you can see preview. This is also done thanks to JavaScript. It's loading some video preview and show it to you. So this is very powerful thing, and if you want to learn it, welcome. We are going to study JavaScript from the beginning to the most difficult stuff. So I will show you all JavaScript, almost everything that you can do with it. And after this course, you will be JavaScript professional, and then you can go to study some frameworks or something like this if you want to. And yeah, that's what we are going to do. Well, that's all for today. My point was to show you how to run JavaScript. So we need script tag in HTML. or some different script file, or you can run it in console. That's all, and after today you know that JavaScript, this is just language that can be run under browsers. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.